Hello guys, in this video I would like to teach you how to use the format method. So what is the format method? The format method format the specified value and insert them inside the string placeholder. Alright, we define two variables. The first one will be called username, for example, and we ask the user for his name. So what is your name? So for example, and then I would like to display the value of username in capital letter. I think it's nice like that, so I will use capitalize. Okay, so the second variable I will call it order value. An integer. So we ask the user for the total value of the order is then I think I will define another variable called result. It will be the end result of what we want to our code to print. It will be something like customer name is Mr. And then we use the curly bracket. Total order value is again we're going to use the curly bracket. So this curly bracket replace a string placeholder where the format method will insert username and order value, the value of these two variables, and then we can use print. Put some space here. Print again. We're going to print the result of format, and we can use the format method now. Inside the bracket we put username variable and then order value variable. Print again. Alright, so that's it. Now we can test it. Let's run our code. What is your name? Alright, let me is, oh, I made a mistake here. Alright, I will fix it later. 700, and the end result is here. The customer name is Mr. James, and the total order value is $700. So that's how format method works. You can try again, give another try. What is your name? So I will use, this time I will use Mike. What is the total value of your order? 1,001K, for example, and then the customer name is Mr. Mike, and the total order value is $1,000. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, share, and comment. Thanks. Bye.